Hi, Dr. Mary here. I'm pretty excited about this day. It is so beautiful out. It's going to be in the 50s, even though, we just cleared the first week of February. And I'd been talking about the spiritual journey last time I was on and taking it into past lives because I feel like that is such a key part of the journey. Like, I'm aware of a past life I had in this place, like in this geography. And I read for many people who find themselves in a geographic place where they have been before, and the exact same spot, which is actually the case here, and that is a really wonderful feeling and explains the sense of being so at home. And also, the people in our lives have often, they're always, I would say, but those extremes of always and never don't really work. Much of the time, the people that are in your life for a while or for a long time, or your birth family, whether you all stay together, the families you make, whether you all stay together, there are past lives shared, and they have meaning. We're here to continue to work out things, issues, or to have joy and happiness where maybe there wasn't much of that before. And so when we think of the spiritual journey, even if it's the past life, what we always are doing is relating it to the present life. Because what does it mean? We're here for a reason, and whatever it is that we are wanting to do may be coming from the past, but it isn't stuck there. And often, to hear the stories of the past can be so freeing and so liberating and make so much sense out of what is happening in the present. And there's a lot of ways to investigate that part of your journey. So we're going to do that. So stay tuned.